Hello, welcome back to another video. We're gonna just take a quick look at the weather, obviously, because it's a weather video. So, Clipper system here. You see the blue shading, that's snow. That's gonna be trying to work its way down to the mid-Atlantic, but it's not gonna do a very good job of getting down there into Virginia and Maryland. Now, there could be some wet snow, or some rain showers, but mainly just some flurries and sprinkles. Nothing too crazy. Although in Pennsylvania and New York, there could be certain areas could definitely pick up like an inch or two, maybe three. Again, nothing too crazy. Um, and West Virginia mountains could also pick up maybe an inch or two. Then there's a coastal storm that could scrape Cape Cod. Maybe that brings a little few inches of snow, maybe several. Again, depends on exactly where it goes. Looks like it will be high impact for places like New Brunswick or Nova Scotia. So yeah. Then some massive cold air settles in with temperatures highs only in the 20s and 30s for Saturday and Sunday, with lows in the teens and even single digits further north. Then another potential little clipper system comes through on Christmas Eve that could also bring a couple inches to places like New York State. New York City is a little bit more iffy on that. I would not count on that, but there could be some snow. I don't know if it would stick, and also it's probably going to be more concentrated north of the city. Um, Now, if we look at, and then it also warms up after Christmas in particular, although it is already going to be on a warming trend after Sunday. So if we look at the predicted snowfall, I think, again, I'm just an amateur, okay, but I would say this is pretty fair. Um, what this, what the GFS is predicting, this latest front. Again, it's just one run, but I think it's fair. Here's what it shows. Again, if you're up in the Adirondacks, I'd say your chances of white Christmas pretty high, but they usually are. So first system comes through, and this model run basically shows a general like 1 to 3 inches, um, lighter amounts further east. I would say that's fair because the storm's going to be kind of just weakening as it's fizzling out, as it's heading out. It's going to transfer its energy to the coastal storm, which is going to mainly avoid Cape Cod, um, unless it shifts a little bit west. Doesn't have to shift much for that to change. 1 to 3 inches in general, nothing too crazy. I mean, just like a general like dusting further south, and then New York City, probably not really anything. So I'd say this is pretty fair. Um, and then later, probably several more inches will fall, or a couple more inches will fall with the storm on Christmas Eve. It's not loading the whole thing, but the model runs earlier. That's what it's showing, so I'd say that's pretty fair. And then again, temperatures will be on a warming trend, and then eventually they're going to come back down again, and probably going to get a big system. Um, Hopefully we can get a snowstorm at some point, but we'll see. So thank you for watching.